Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Fiverr account. Now this is extremely simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first step is us clicking on our profile icon once we are on Fiverr.com and logged into our account. Here we are going to head over to the settings button, and from this point you should be prompted to the account section of the settings. And as you can see right here, one of the last options is account deactivations. Now here we're going to just have to give reasoning and just click on deactivate my account. So I'm going to click on something else, deactivate my account. And after I've done that, your Fiverr account has been closed. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.